Greetings, everyone, and happy snow day. I just want to give some clarification on the policies related to asynchronous Wednesdays with the app creators class. I was going to discuss it today in class, but given our snow, I won't be able to do that. So I want to go over it in just a little bit of detail and give you some guidance on how to do this. The first thing I want to point out is that everyone's going to have an assignment. This week's assignment has two parts, a video and a GimKit activity, and turning those in is going to be equivalent to marking yourself as present. And I'll go over those at the end of the video really quick. The second thing I want to point out is that I would like to meet with all the students who are registered as virtual or are meeting in class virtually at the time that we're at the time. So our second period is from 9:10 to 9:25, and I just want to connect with all the students who are taking the course virtual. It's something that our district is asking us to do, and I think it's a great opportunity to get to know the people who are learning, like me, teaching virtually, learning virtually, and I'd really like you to join me at that time. Just as an FYI, I'd love if you're able to turn on your cameras and share with me, even if your background is chaotic. I'd love for you to share with our group what's going on in your life and help me to understand better your virtual story. So, Asynchronous Wednesdays has an assignment that normally I'm going to post at 3:15 on Tuesday. I've set up a timer to do that, but because of the snow day and the situation, I'm going to post it right as I post this video. So this is going to be posted probably by Tuesday morning, and you'll be able to get started on it early if you want. But it is due by 3:15 on Wednesday afternoon. That's how the district requires us to take attendance. We are required to give you an assignment, and the completion of that assignment, while we can also grade it, we use for attendance. So please get this done. The two parts of the assignment are first a video that's under 5 minutes that talks about block languages. When you, sorry, let me put this in preview mode so you can see what it is. When you click on the video, you can watch it in this little teeny square, but that kind of stinks. So if you click on YouTube, it will take you to a bigger version of the video, and your form will just be in a different tab. So feel free to punch it out by hitting that YouTube and watching it a little bigger. And then you have some questions about the video and a rating about the video. Then the next thing I ask you to do is play GimKit by yourself. And I want to throw some tips and tricks at you on how to play this GimKit because it does ask you to get to $25,000, which is that's a lot of money. So in order to get that much money, you would have to answer 25,000 questions unless you leverage the items in the shop. There is a shop, and inside that shop, you're able to buy things. Now, you won't need insurance because you're playing against just by yourself, but this money per question increases the amount you get per question, and I suggest you get money to buy those items. So my next one is costs $10,000, so I'm going to be watching to get $10,000 so I can buy that one. A streak bonus, those are kind of cool. My next streak bonus is available at $2,000. Those mean when you get questions right in a row, it increases the amount they're worth. You might want to save this one until you're getting a lot of answers right. And the most powerful one, just like this is like addition, but multiplication is significantly more powerful than addition. So multiplier, that's the one you want to be monitoring the most. So at $2,000, each of my points is worth 3 times as much. That's huge. So I want to buy that multiplier at 2,000 and then especially at 5,000. That would be awesome. So I'm going to answer my questions. And which ID are we using? Snap. And I'm watching my money to get that to $2,000. Which part is in blue? That's the stage. I'm watching for $2,000. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. Which part of the ID is blue? That's the sprites. I made $2,000. Oops, I should have shopped, but I got an extra question in there. Those are the buttons. And then I can go to the shop. And in the shop, that multiplier, most valuable one, I want to buy that. And now my questions, oops, are going to be worth more when I answer them. So which ID am I using? Snap. Notice now I'm getting $300. And I'm working my money up even faster. Um, ID part in blue, the part on top is the menu bar. The part that's the green flag. And look at how fast my money is cruising. What part of the IDE is in blue? But I never want to be content. Oops, that's wrong. Ah, the the part in blue is paper. Continue. Which ID are we using? Snap. Continue. What part of the IDE is in blue? That's the sprites. Now I think I have enough to shop again. 2000. Was that on the streak bonus area? Yep. Boom. I'm going to buy that. And I'm constantly watching and I'm trying to shop as often as possible. Which part of the ID is in blue? Buttons. And with that streak bonus, those are buttons. I got the same. Oh, blue. Sorry, menu area. Notice that it increases the value now. And that's what I want to do. And this money is now going up faster. So constantly be going shopping. And that's how you'll get to that 25,000 relatively quickly. This area here is the blocks. There it is. And the part of the ID includes green flags. The ID stands for Integrated Development Environment. And again, look at how fast my money is going up. What part of the ID is in blue? That's the stage. What part of the ID is in blue? That's the paper. This also is in the lesson that we did the first day lesson, which is in Google Classroom. So you might want to put the IDE up on one tab and then go back and forth. That's a technique that might help you. I'm at 5,000. I think I was able to shop for something at 5,000. I think there was a multiplier. Oh, that's 12,000. Money per question. That's 10,000. Maybe the streaks. That was 20,000. Oh no, I need to go up even more to get to, I need to really work up that level to get to my next upgrades. But I'm going to keep answering those questions and get that multiplied up. Look at how fast I'm cruising now to get to $25,000. That's your goal. Now I only have to answer about 25 questions to get there. So keep that in mind. Go to the shop, shop often, and good luck getting your homework done. I don't think it will take the full hour 25 of class, but this is what the assignment is going to be for second period app creators. Thanks, everyone.